Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Chevrolet C10. Gorgeous truck, guys. This car's got, or truck has, I think it's 5,700 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Truck's out of Georgia. Pretty color combination. It's a gold metallic with a two-tone. It's got the white on the top. It's got an aged wood bed in it, but really just a real good pickup, guys. 350 crate engine, 700 R4 trans. Of course, it's got the 12-bolt factory rear end in it. It's got aftermarket vintage heat and AC. Most of the chrome and stainless is new on the truck. I did a couple little things. It had a tan seat in it, a tan cloth seat in it, which, to be honest with you, I didn't like at all. So I had Don from DNA Interiors come over. We put the Hounds Tooth in it. I also put carpet in it. But other than that, man, this thing was just really turnkey, ready to go. Nice truck. I thought about putting a set of wheels on it, and I thought, man, I'm going to leave this thing alone. It's got brand new wheels and tires on it. They're 15s. You can see it's got the white steel wheels on it with the caps. I love this body style. 65 is my favorite year, and really just a nice truck, guys. There's not a whole lot that you can really nitpick on the truck. It's really, really nice. Again, the truck's out of Georgia, and again, you can see the grill's new, the bumpers are new. As we go around here, there's not a whole lot you can really nitpick. This truck is gorgeous. Dirt there, guys. Pretty paint. I like the color combination. The glass is nice. The doors open and close real nice. Great driver. Truck hits the road excellent. Still a little chilly, but we got some sunshine here, so that's nice. Again, as we get inside, that's brand new seat. Don at DNA Interiors did that for me. Again, it's got an aged wood bed in it. They have relocated the fuel tank, so the fuel tanks, they do that really for safety. Moved it inside the bed. The tailgate is operational. Again, you see all the trims new. Heck, the reverse lights. I think everything on this truck works too. Truck's nice and flat down the sides. Again, new rubber. Coopers all the way around it. Good sized tires. That's one thing I thought about. Thought about maybe, putting a different set of wheels on it, but it's just such a nice truck that I just left it alone. And trucks are so hot. They're fun. I mean, they're different. People like to cruise them. Again, the truck's very nice. We got it up on the hoist. Got some pictures of the bottom of it. I was going to I noticed there's a couple little marks in that piece of trim there, but that's really it, man. There's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It is a 350 crate engine, Holley 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake. It's got the GM Ramshorn exhaust manifolds. Again, power steering. Power front disc brakes, vintage heat and AC. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. So the truck's built to drive. Aluminum radiator. And you can see how nice the inner fenders are. I mean, that truck is really a good truck. Some new bolts everywhere. Truck was completely apart when it was restored, when they did a frame off restoration. Mirrors are nice, door handles are real nice. And they did a nice job on this truck. You can see how nice the doors are. Again, I put new carpet in it, and I say, DNA did that for me. Again, it's got this now, the cap on here, but it's actually been relocated to the center of the bed there. The fuel tank has. But we did this seat. I love the Hounds Tooth. And when he did it, we had it all refoamed and padded, so it's really nice. Steering wheel's in real nice shape. I noticed a couple little cracks on it, but nice. Look how nice the dash is. They've definitely had that out and had it redone. 5785 on the odometer. It's got the upgraded vintage AC switches in it. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's pretty much a standard dual exhaust system. Again, 12-bolt rear end. It's not a monster gear. It's definitely something you can get in and drive, but it's got the overdrive too, so I guess it really doesn't matter if it's had a big gear in it with the overdrive. It's like a little mark up there on the bed. There's your fuel tank fill. Good truck, quality truck. And I wouldn't be afraid to get in this thing and go anywhere. I mean, it's a good truck. Very nice underneath. Really just a good truck, guys. Let Nathan jump in there and fire it up. AC blows cold, you just kick it on. Truck runs out excellent. Very impressive when you drive it. I love the front grills. I love those front marker lights on these trucks up in the hood. I think that's so cool. Again, all your gauges are functional. I even noticed like the license plate lights work. I know the backup lights do work. That's just a nice truck right there. Again, like I say, even the license plate lights work. What about the radio? We get the radio on? Oh, it's on. Yep. Yep. Blower motor does work. So the doors open and close real nice. These are functional. I love those lights in the hood. I think those are so cool. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Great way to keep in touch with us, and you'll get a notification every single time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.